Hello, good day. Lolia Temple is my name. I'll show you how to download Facebook Ads Manager from Play Store and how to fund your Facebook Ads account. I'll show you that right now. Because if you're using mobile, you need to go to Play Store. So you click on Play Store on your phone. When you go to Play Store, you now type at the search bar, you type Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Ads Manager. Yes, I've come out. Facebook Ads Manager app. I already have it on my phone, so it will just show me update. Yes, to show me to update it. But for you, you have to click on install. What will be here? This green button will be installed. So you click on install and install it on your phone. This is how the Facebook Ads Manager icon looks. Blue and somehow greenish. Take note of it. It's showing Meta Ads Manager, but if you type Facebook Ads Manager, Meta Ads Manager will come. If you type Meta Ads, it's still the same thing. So take note of it. For mine, you can see now that it's showing me update. I should update my app on my phone because I already have it. I'm already using it. And for yours, what you see is install. You click on install because you don't have it on your phone. Take note of it. So after installing it, the next thing you do, you log in. The next thing you do is to log in. Okay, let me update mine at once. Since you are saying I should update it, you update it. After updating it, I'll now take you to the app. Okay, let me see how I'm going to just play it fast. Mine is update, yours will be installed. When it's done, the next thing you see is open. Here we're still on it. It's trying to come together so I can open it. Somehow slow. Very fast. Now you see open. The button, okay, see it now. Open. You click on open. When you're done installing it, mine I updated it. So when you see open, the app now will open. For your own, you have to log in. You have to log in for yours. Mine is already open. I'm already using it. When you come to the app, when you click on open, you come to the app, you find out Facebook will show you have to log in. The way you log into your Facebook account, normally, you now put in your username, password, or your email password, and you log into the account. The next thing you have to do is you click on home page. Home page, when you go there, the home page, all the icons are the base of the interface. You see that the base, all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the base. These are the icons that will help you navigate this Facebook Ads Manager app. So when you click on home, it will take you to this page. Then you come to this the very last icon, this settings icon, which is at the extreme right. You click on it for you to make payments. If you want to make payment, you click on it. Now you are where you have to make payment. You can see the name of the owner of the account. You see Instagram accounts. You now see payments. So you click on payments. When you click on payments, it will take you to where you have to make payments. Now it is showing add funds. Add fund. This add fund icon is light. It comes in blue, thick blue most times. Add funds. You can see add funds. There is also add payment methods. You click on add funds. Click on add funds to add money. Now people are used to using their cards to do Facebook ads. Forget about that. Don't use that. Take the second option that has this green icon. Pay you. They collect naira. You send it to them. It's a South African firm that Facebook is using to collect money. So you send your money in that. What you do is you just top up. You just top up the money, send the money through your card, and it gets to your account. You don't, if you choose this debit card, you have to put your card on Facebook to add money. You have to leave it there. You have to leave your card details there. But this one, the normal way you buy things online, that's the way you use your card to pay for this service. So now this opt part, what you do, you just put the amount you want. This is default setting. You just put the amount you want to fund. If it's 1,000, 2,000, any amount you want to fund. Okay, let me choose 5,000 naira. 5,000. 5,000. The next thing is I want to do is to choose the payment option I want to use, which is showing Naira payment with MasterCard to Visa card. This is a green icon. This second one, you click on it. It has pay you. You click on it, and you now click on it. Let me go back and put the money. The amount is 5,000. You now click on it, and it will now take you to you now come to the base, add funds. You click on add funds. Add funds, this icon, add funds. It will take you to where you need to make the payment, where you need to input your card details to make the payment. So when you come this way, it will now show you this. This is a pay you. You click on pay you. Click on pay you. The green button that comes out again. You click on it. You can see now there is something now for you to input your card details. I'm not putting card now. I'm just showing you your card details. You put your card number, your name on the card, the name on the card, the expiry date, and the year, the date, and all of that. And click on pay. This green button. It will now take you to another interface. Like for my bank, GT Bank, you need an OTP to authorize the transaction. I don't know about other banks, so there are various ways they use it. Most banks use OTP. So that's how you fund your account with your mobile phone. That's how you fund your account with your mobile phone. So that's that for now. So you go over to when you feed your card details, you go over to the next. When you fill your card, you click on pay. This green button here. You click on pay, and it will take you to another page where you need to authorize the payment via any means. So that's how you fund your Facebook ad account.